Every year, humanity discards over 50 million tons of electronic waste, enough to fill a line of garbage trucks stretching from New York to Tokyo. This is not just trash. It is a growing environmental crisis that threatens ecosystems, human health, and the planet's future. Stick around to uncover the hidden impact of e-waste and what can be done about it. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel that dives deep into the stories behind the objects shaping our world. Today, the focus is on e-waste, those discarded phones, laptops, and gadgets piling up in landfills. This video explores where e-waste comes from, its devastating environmental toll, and the innovative solutions emerging to tackle it. By the end, you will understand why e-waste is a problem everyone needs to care about and how small actions can make a big difference. Let's jump in. Electronic waste, or e-waste, refers to discarded electronic devices, from smartphones to refrigerators. The story begins with the tech boom of the late 20th century. As computers and mobile phones became household staples, the cycle of upgrading devices accelerated. In the 1980s, a personal computer was a rare luxury. By the 2000s, people were replacing phones every 2 years. This constant churn created a new kind of waste. Unlike organic trash, e-waste contains toxic materials like lead, mercury, and cadmium, which do not break down easily. The United Nations estimates that only 20% of e-waste is properly recycled, leaving the rest to harm the environment. The e-waste problem has grown alongside technology's rapid evolution. In 2022, the world generated 62 million metric tons of e-waste, equivalent to 1.5 million fully loaded 18-wheeler trucks. Developing nations often bear the brunt, as wealthier countries export their e-waste to places like Agbagloshi in Ghana, but innovation is fighting back. Companies are designing modular devices, like the Fairphone, which allow users to replace parts instead of tossing the whole gadget. Recycling tech is also advancing. For example, Apple's recycling robot Daisy can disassemble 200 iPhones per hour, recovering materials like gold and cobalt. Governments are stepping up to India's 2022 e-waste management rules mandate producers to ensure proper disposal. These steps are promising, but the scale of the problem demands more. E-waste reflects society's obsession with the latest tech. The pressure to own the newest smartphone or gaming console drives a throwaway culture. Social media and influencer marketing amplify this, pushing people to upgrade devices they do not need. Yet there is a growing counterculture. Activists argue that manufacturers should make repair manuals and parts accessible, challenging planned obsolescence, the practice of designing products with a limited lifespan. This shift signals a cultural awakening to the environmental cost of convenience. Here are some eye-opening facts about e-waste. A single smartphone contains up to 60 different elements, including rare earth metals mined at great environmental cost. E-waste is the fastest-growing waste stream globally, increasing 3 times faster than the world's population. Improperly disposed batteries can leach lithium into groundwater, contaminating drinking supplies. Recycling 1 million laptops saves enough energy to power 3,500 homes for a year. In 2019, the value of recoverable materials in e-waste, like gold and copper, was estimated at $57 billion more than the GDP of some countries. These numbers show both the scale of the crisis and the untapped potential in proper e-waste management. It is a mirror reflecting humanity's relationship with technology and the planet. The environmental impact, polluted waterways, toxic air, and depleted resources demands urgent action. Governments, companies, and individuals all have a role to play. By choosing to repair, recycle, or rethink consumption habits, everyone can help reduce e-waste's footprint. If this video opened your eyes to the e-waste crisis, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects shaping our world. And let us know in the comments, what do you do with your old electronics? Have you ever tried repairing a device? Your thoughts could spark a great conversation. Thanks for watching Objectified, where everyday objects tell extraordinary stories. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you. See you in the next video.